Hey, it's Jennifer, your digital planning buddy. We're going to talk real quickly about the files, the file icon on your iPad. Now, right now am looking specifically at things that are saved on my iPad. Over on the left, there's my menu on my iPad. And I've created these folders. As the need arose, I was able to create a new folder. And again, think back to your filing cabinet. That's all this is. You pull out an empty manila folder, you write a title for it on the tab, and then going forward, you put your documents in that folder. That's exactly what this is. If I wanted to create a new folder, there's a picture of a folder with a plus sign. So pretty universally, when something has a plus sign in the corner of it, it's giving you the option to create or to add whatever it is that the plus sign is on. So we can use our Apple Pen or our finger, and we're going to tap it once, and it's going to create at the bottom a blank folder. It's highlighted because it wants you to give it your own personal name. So we're just going to call this test folder. And you can hit done. And here it is. Now, if we tap it once, it's like opening up that file folder. And so far, there's nothing in there. If we want to close that folder back up, we're going to go up to that left-hand caret right there. That's what we call them, carets. So the other thing we can do is long press on it. And we can do a couple things. We can make it a favorite. We can delete it. We could open it in a whole nother window. We could rename it, or we could create another just like it. So for now, we're going to leave it the way it is. And we're going to go up here to these 4 dots. These 4 dots are trying to show you that it is showing you the folders as if they're all little pictures. And you can change how they look to you. For some people, they don't want to have to go across from left to right reading the names of the folders. Sometimes that can just feel like too much work. You click that, you can tell it that you want to list the folders, and it will change it to be alphabetically down like so. So that is easier for some people. Other people would rather put them in columns. So when I have too many to fit in one column, I would have a second and a third column. And if I want to go back, I'm just going to go back to those 4 little squares. So you can customize this page in a way that makes it easy for you to read.